In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play First Class by Jack Harlow. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. I've been a G, throw up the L, A, M, O, R, O, U, S. I can put you in first class, up in the sky. First class, up in the, up in. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, there's an exclusive chord chart available in my ukulele songbook on Patreon, so click on the link in my description box below and access your chord chart today. And finally, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase the T52 4G, and this is a tenor size uke with rich, warm, incredible tone. It's very light, and also it's easy to press down on those strings because the action is low, and for the price you pay for this instrument, you're gonna get a lot of quality that you won't find elsewhere. So click on that link in my description box below, get a hold of your T52 4G today. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play First Class, and those chords are G minor, E flat major, and F major. Now, if you already know how to play those 3 chords, great job, feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is G minor. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is G minor. The next chord is E flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the third fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is E flat major. And the last chord for this song is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. Let's play through that string pattern now on the G minor chord. 1 and 2 and G minor, down, strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then check out my How to Chuck ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be G minor for 4 turns of the string pattern, E flat major for 2 turns, and then F major for 2 turns of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements now and play it all together. 1 and 2 and G minor, down, strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, E flat major, go, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, pause, chuck, F major, go, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. And now let's play the chord progression and the string pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, G minor, down, strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, E flat major, go, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, F major, go, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics and play through First Class. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what fret that you was in, you can out for me, keep dreaming. Pineapple juice I give her sweet, sweet, sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking, trying to come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why did y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plaques in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers making sure I receive them. You can do it to believe it. I've been a G, throw up the L, A, M, O, R, O, U, S. I can put you in first class, up in the sky. First class, Up in the up in the Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for First Class. And that's you play First Class by Jack Harlow. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank Leolani for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe to access your exclusive chord chart on my Patreon page, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.